Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel this week. I'm not doing a shave test today. Instead I'm showing you a beautiful example of a Wilkinson Empire shaving set from the 1930s. There we go. It's just to show you the proportion. To me this should be in a museum. It's got a little flap missing there, but it's got original box which often get discarded. The condition of the oak case is superb. I've only given it a very light polish. It didn't really need any work at all, to be honest. And inside we've got all the original instructions here. Everything's complete. I've actually restored this a little bit. It only wanted a light polish. I don't think it's been used that much. And this is the more advanced, the later model than the other Empire models I've shown. If you see there, you see here, it's got a sliding bar. There's a locking bar, which is a little bit more neater, shall we say, than the other Empire models. So the unique thing about this particular model is it's got all the original blades, 7. It's got the original strap, which before I let it go, before it goes for sale, I'll restore that so it's a little bit more supple. It's gone a bit hard with edge. But the reason why I'm not doing a shave test is because all these blades, right, all these blades are in the original wrapper. Those with the greaseproof wrapper inside. I'll just open one to show you the greaseproof. How the greaseproof's come off that one. Let's have a look at this one. There. Still got the greaseproof wrapper on it. So I'll just pop these back. Into the case here. I must say I've never seen one where you've got all the blades that are brand new, you know. And likewise in here, there's 4 in that one, 4 in this one. And there's a further 3 in this pack. Again, all with the original wrappers. 1, 2, 3. Perfect little beauties. So there we've got a nice little set complete, ready to go, and I'll put this in my shop today. And any questions, just give us a shout on YouTube. Okay, thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch up with you later. Bye for now. Bye.